I will show you how to do the swing effect. And I'm not that sure, but I'm also gonna be able to mirror it. Now, you just create your project. You just create your project and add your picture. I'm just gonna take the brown part of this picture I made. Now, basically, what you want to do is you just select it and you go to effects. After you go to effects, choose add effect. Go to tiles and you just click on the plus. But it looks way better if you were actually able to get a picture which would not just be started. So I am going to take the full version of this picture or I think I will take this picture. And then I will now you just add that effect again. Then you just enable mirror. And now, if you want it to look good like this, just zoom out a little bit. Now you want to get another effect. And the other effect should be called swing. Now you just, and increase the frequency when you are gonna do it. You will use angle 2. Just follow what I do since it's a little bit hard to explain. And that's how it does. You just lower it down if you don't want it to be too shaky. Now, fix the frequency if you want it to be, I don't know what I call it, but a little less shaky. You can do it for the speed amount of the shaking. I recommend making it low if you don't really like it that fast. And now I'm going to fix the things. And that's the result of the video. Now you just go to angle 1 and also fix it a little bit. And now you've got it. And once you're done, just export it by clicking on that. And that's it. Bye.